So you like bag carrying, and you picked up one of our 4 Bros bag mounts. So this plate right here is grommeted at all weak points and specifically drilled and cut for our outside the waistband holsters. This plate is more than just a solution to get your holster in the bag. It is the flattest and the easiest way to hard mount your holster inside your bag of choice, as long as there's a hook side on the inside somewhere. This works on sling bags, messenger bags, and even backpacks or bigger range bags. So in the package, you'll have your outside the waistband holster, your mounting plate, and then your supplied hardware with 4 screws, 4 of these captures, and then 4 of these rubber washers. So to get this started, you're gonna take both pieces here, the holster and the plate, and lay the Tegra side towards the holster so you can get the holes aligned and pick which ones that you want to mount with. I recommend using these 2, and then there are 2 that line up perfectly in the center here that you can mount these 2 and these 2, or whichever combo you want. The nice part about using these holes is you can adjust the cant of this plate much like a holster, and then get the angle you want. I'm gonna mount mine straight up and down, just for example's sake. So now that we know what holes we want, take your captures and come in from the backside, and you can kind of hold them in place with the rubber washers. Once you get a few in there, you can then get an idea of how this is going to come together. We'll start with these 2 top ones here. Apply a little pressure with the rubber washer, and you can get them to hold themselves in place so they don't fall out the back and make this installation more complicated than it needs to be. All right, so now we have all of our captures and our rubber washers in place. You can then lay your plate over the top and make sure that you have good alignment all around. All right, so once you have your holes lined up, you can then go one by one with your screws and fasten those. You're gonna wanna hold from the backside to make sure you don't push the capture out, but I would get these snug one by one and then tighten them all down at the end. All right, so now we have all 4 of our screws in for our 4 mounting points. Feel free to get as creative with the placement as you like for whatever works for you. Personally, I like these 4 the best since I'm mounting it straight up and down. But we're gonna get them nice and snug, not too tight. But as you guys can see, this plate sits very, very close to the holster, and then this side goes into the bag, leaving you with a very low profile mount for more room in the bag. So once your plate is where you want it, you can take whatever bag you like. Personally, I love the Eberly Stock Fade series. This is the Fade Flex standard size. And the mounting area is this big pocket here. But there is hook on both sides. This is the stronger side, this is the better side to mount. So we just take hook side down, and we're gonna push from the back of the bag and then apply pressure towards the holster, just so we get as much traction as possible between the plate and the bag. And then you can take your pistol, this one's clear, and go ahead and test fit. I cheated a little bit because I've mounted this one in this bag a few times already, but as you can see, the mount is very close to the holster and the plate is very, very slim. So this gets a nice flat mounting surface in the bag. And then make sure you can zip and unzip your bag without any interference. And we aren't getting any movement out of this plate in this bag. And then set your attention on your holster so you can draw it easily while also not losing the pistol from retention within the bag. So you can play with those, get your draw like you like, and I hope this helps you with your various bags and mounting solutions.